Junction Pool over here in Poorville. So this is my baler. I'm trying to get this cylinder up there. Got it really close. That's the threaded rod I was using. I'm not sure what size it is. It's 1/2 inch bolts or nuts, 7/16. This is what I jumped up to. I would have got 2 of these, but they only had 1. So I got the vice grips to stop that from spinning. And this cylinder, it won't fall. It'll lock into place, so we don't have to worry about getting our feet under there. That cylinder, that's how big a bales it should be making, about right there. I'm going to climb up here and show what's going on. And of course there's a bee's nest up here someplace. So I'm trying to, I got my air wrench up here and I'm trying to draw this up so I can get these 4 bolts in it. And that, well, if I can get 3 of them, I can get that back one out of the way. I don't know if you can see that small one or not, but I'll probably have to cut it with a grinder. So anyway, I've got to go. Hopefully I can get a couple of them bolts started, get the nuts on them, and then we won't be counting on them threaded rods. That's a big old motor there. I'm going to try to get it covered and dry on it, keep the unit together in case someday we want to sell it and somebody wants to put it in where they got 3-phase. This is Debbie.
Aww.
She's going to be filming, recording. And so try to get right up in there, Debbie, so when one of them bolts goes all the way through, or as close as we can get it, we'll get a nut on there, even if it's just enough to get the nut started below it. We got to watch that rubber hose right there. We might have to push that a little bit.
Okay.
But stay back just a little bit. Maybe it should never fall, but I don't want to take a chance. So you'll record that, and I'm going to see if we can run that up. Welded up here so the whole thing, and I probably could have double nutted it, but I can reuse this rebar or re-rod for something else at a later date. Okay, here we go. How's it looking?
It's going up.
How's it looking now?
Okay.
Did it stop for some reason?
I don't.
Yep, something.
Yeah, something's okay. I'm not sure.
Something is binding. What's binding? One of the bolts must be hitting or something.
Something. I wasn't sure. Something kind.
There's water coming down, I know.
Yeah.
Here, let me see for a second, Debbie.
Careful.
Yep, so that cylinder is binding. So, can you take that, Debbie?
Yep.
Can you back up over here a minute, Debbie? I'm going to grind that southern stud off there, or this threaded rod.
You want me to just be right here?
Yeah. Okay, I gotta get a tool. Let me show them what my tool is back there.
Oh, here's his Poorville back window.
Piece of plexiglass.
Well, hey. If it works, you know. All right. Oh. Hope everybody's having a good day. This heat is something else. It's in its 90s. It's got to be in the 90s already.
Yeah, I gotta pull that studded rod out.
Yeah.
Or that threaded rod. Whoops,
Oh.
and then Poorville string.
Boy, you're being a me now.
Working on the Poorville jump.
Yeah. Oh.
Bee after you, Debbie?
No, something was spraying me.
Oh, there's water dripping from this mop bucket up here.
Oh, okay. No, I was just trying to get it aimed so I could see what you're, because I'm kind of like, I can't.
Yeah, I gotta, trying to line them studs up. And it looks like it's gotta go. You back up just a little bit, Debbie, so you get up in here. That might be right there. Yeah, we gotta watch this hose. I could pull it off, but okay, well, let me get down so I don't fall on you.
Okay.
Only 90 degrees.
That's what I was saying.
Okay, let's see if we can. You watch in there and see what it looks like, Debbie.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right.
Studs lining up, Debbie?
I think so.
Okay, well, be careful. Okay.
All right.
Can I get a bolt on any of them?
Well, not yet. The one is just barely through.
How's it doing?
I can see a stud going, but it's still got a.
Something must be hitting.
The hose looks okay over here.
Okay. Oh, we're gaining.
Yeah, that's what I. Okay, see that one.
Oh, we'll get that up in there a little farther, and then I'll pull them back off and put the lock nuts on them. Don't go too much further, them nuts will grow up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So what I'm going to do, it's hot out here, so I'm going to take that nut back off. I just threaded a little bit and get these two started. Get the block washers and everything on them, draw them right up, and it's good to go. We got two more to put in. We'll take that one out. They're sitting at the top. One of them is right there. And we'll have this thing, that part done. Just wanted to get a quick video of it going together. That cylinder, I think we weighed it, and I think it was, I want to say like 470 pounds. Of course, that's without the weight, the Baler part here on it. Another project getting close to done over here in Poorville. Have a good day. It's hot. I'm going to go have a glass of tea. Thank you, Debbie. And this is my plexiglass Poorville back window in case you throw some scrap through it. Actually, I picked that one up in my truck, and some junk, but I actually have thrown some stuff through my window a few times. That's why I like to have my guards on there before I even pretty much start driving them. Have a good day now. Goodbye now.